D2C e-commerce is about to change. In this video, I want to walk you through the greatest opportunity that you don't want to miss in 2024 ever since Meta ads. And for brands and business owners that don't learn about this in 2024 and don't understand how to implement it in their distribution strategies, they will get left behind and their competitors will really take advantage of this incredible opportunity and take away the market shares from you. So for people who don't know me, my name is Jackie. I run an agency called StarTalk Social. We originally started as a creative house, a creative agency for established D2C brands. However, as we are navigating this new trend, a new landscape, we have really developed a new thesis that we're about to launch and going to roll out to all our internal clients and existing partners to help them take advantage of this next frontier in marketing, specifically for D2C and e-commerce brands. So every time when there's a new dynamic shift or something is about to change for the nature of the industry, I always like to zoom out and really look at what is going on the first principle level. So for D2C brands, for e-commerce in general, there are really only two aspects that will contribute to the success to a certain level, obviously, to the business. And those two things are product and distribution. So I'm not a product person, but as an agency and as someone who's actively involved in e-commerce businesses and space, I understand how crucially important this is for a success of a brand. So I hope this video doesn't give you an illusion or doesn't give you a feeling that products don't matter. Products matter a lot. But for us, our expertise is really in distribution, how we're going to help this next new generation of brands to really win and get outsized return of success on social media. So that leads to the core and the main topic for this video, which is how is distribution changing in 2024? So let's travel back in time, not even, back to 10 years ago, but just let's travel back to 5-6 years ago, 2016, 2017. That is really the best time, the golden era of Facebook and Meta ads. So at that time, you can spin up some different assets, different campaigns, and be able to really media bind your way into great profits and great ad performance. And, obviously that has changed a lot since then. So on a high level, distribution can break into three different categories. So the first will be paid ads, which is something most digital marketers, most brands, business owners are very familiar with. And there has been a lot of conversation, discussion around this. And I really don't think, there's really much left to disrupt or to innovate other than, there will be a new platform. There will be a new access to audiences. And the second is organic. I feel like organic hasn't been a conversation until TikTok came around. And that is also a foreshadowing to what we are discussing today in this video, because TikTok has really disrupted and has really changed the way that businesses and brands will think about how B2C businesses and models are going to work. Then lastly is affiliate. So affiliate simply, just leveraging affiliates, army of people, affiliate creators that will help you to promote your products through their own ad accounts, through their content, through their videos. So if you're familiar with this concept of earned, paid, and owned media, this pretty much maps to that concept accurately. So paid ads is simply just paid media, organic is owned media, and affiliate is earned media. You have a basic idea of understanding of how distribution entails. What are the three key components? And if you look at this diagram, this graph, you probably noticed there are some few changes that you might not be pretty familiar with. And what you might notice here is I have further broken down these key components into different things. And this is really where I think the disruption of social media, and I think this is really the disruption is coming from, which is there are now many different ways to advertise, to promote, to really distribute and build that brand awareness, product awareness via different channels. Paid ads, obviously that is the number one focus for most of the D2C and e-commerce brands. But even in that category, even in that single channel, there are different things that are happening. There are normal ads, whitelisted ads, and live shopping ads. So I want to take a pause here and give you a rundown of what I've been observing of what is happening on live shopping specifically. So live shopping, live video, live streaming has been a concept for a long time now with Discord, Twitch, but live shopping didn't really come onto the scene until TikTok really launched TikTok Shop last year in many different countries, specifically in the US. Because TikTok is a content focused platform, ever since its inception, it has been, it has two different types of videos: video content, post videos, and live shopping. So because of TikTok Shop now, finally sellers, advertisers are able to connect live shopping to ads and to further diversify and distribute their content through different media. Because everyone knows ads, everyone knows in feed ads. That is a concept, a playbook that have been evolving and have been going on for the last decade. But I think for the next decade, we're gonna add more things to this. Live shopping is finally here, but there will be it still need time to really adapt, to adjust, to really become a mature type of channel and distribution format for people to get comfortable with, for brands to get comfortable with. But it's here now. And at our agency, we are doing live shopping, live shows for brands and businesses. Next is organic. So on the same vein, there are two different things again. So TikTok has already disrupted this concept of organic works. And now layer that with live shopping, it's going to be another huge, it's kind of adding the fuel to this already very big and powerful channel for brands to leverage. Because if you scroll on TikTok in feed content, but basically if you scroll on TikTok For You page, now, in addition to a lot of TikTok affiliate content or just general normal videos, the viral content, and some feed ads, TikTok is really pushing live shopping. Every other video or content, it's a live shopping. So if you haven't noticed that trend, you definitely need to start paying attention. What I'll say is it will be different and it will be very challenging for a lot of brands because it's more difficult. Not a lot of people get it yet. For us at our agency, we're able to crack live shopping. We know how it actually works on TikTok, how to game the algorithm, how to attract people, how to get people stay on shop, stay on your live stream, how to get people stay on your live stream, how to run flash deals, how to run special discounts on your live stream, and all that things that you can find out more about if you are interested in the link down below. Last but certainly not least, which is affiliate. This is huge. And if you're on TikTok Shop, if you have been, looking at the trends and catching up with what's going on in DTC, you cannot miss this. So TikTok Shop is not, something. So underneath TikTok Shop, everyone's talking about TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is the next big thing. But what is that? What is the distribution? What makes it so viral? What makes it so successful? And from my perspective, it's really the affiliate network. A powerful and extremely talented and a hugely valuable network of content creators on TikTok. TikTok has, on one hand, they're building this community of audiences, users, viewers. But most importantly, what's so valuable about TikTok and for TikTok, their biggest asset is actually their content creators, the people that are actively posting, the people who are entertainers. And now TikTok, is able to find a way for these talented, valuable assets. I don't want to say it as the way that TikTok owns these creators, but in a way it kind of does. And what TikTok is doing is they're letting these content creators, find a way to finally monetize and be able to build a very stable and very sustainable and sizable income stream just off of being an affiliate. So that's why I think affiliate has definitely now finally become a viable, a great distribution channel that many shop owners, sellers, D2C business need to pay attention to. And, we are looking at other channels, YouTube, Instagram. Instagram has its own similar thing as shop. And so what I will say is don't just limit yourself to TikTok Shop only. Rather, you wanted to look at affiliate. How affiliate is going to help you to distribute your brand instead. So similarly, underneath affiliate, there are also two different components. One is content, affiliate content that affiliates post on their account. And on the other hand, it's live shopping again. So on TikTok, some now, if you look into the dashboard, you might start to see that some affiliate are trying to go onto live stream and to promote different products. So I really think right now in 2024, this is such an exciting time, and it really hasn't been this exciting for a long time in whether D2C, e-commerce, digital marketing. So I hope this video gave you some inspirations and ideas about where the space is heading and how you want to apply what you learn from this video to your own business and how you can take advantage of it, because I can guarantee you many of the brand owners haven't really woke up to the fact that the space is about to change and is changing literally right in front of our eyes. And if you wanted to beat out your competitors, if you wanted to become the next viral and get aggressive growth and success this year, please pay attention to affiliate content, TikTok shop, live shopping, organic, and all that things. And with all that said, if you also wanted to learn a little bit more how we are helping our clients to really take advantage of this greatest opportunity yet have seen since Meta Ads, feel free to book a call with us down below, and I would love to share with you more how we're helping and what we have been doing to really take and participate in this great change. So this year, I'm also going to take and shift some of my content focus to really discuss and to explain and expand on this concept of social commerce, which essentially is what I'm discussing here in this video, and the hope that will really help many big brand and D2C businesses to really look into this new concept, and hope this will really give you an inspiration and urge to take advantage of it and participate in this new dynamic shift. So I hope to catch you in the next one.